What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to put to the test DeWALT 1800 watt portable power station. You can actually remove all those 20 volt batteries from this power station and use it on your tools. Most of the power station just this giant block that most of the time you're never gonna use them unless maybe once or twice a year you're going to have power is out. What I need most importantly for this power station is for my aquarium, because if I don't have electricity for like 3 days, my fish and my coral is going to die. I gotta keep it plugged in so it doesn't die. But beside that, even if I didn't have aquarium, there's plenty of uses why you need electricity if you out for like, I don't know, whole week without electricity. Around here we have snowstorm, we have really windy days and lots of rain, trees fall and hits the wires, and for a couple of days we don't have any electricity. So I bought one of this generator. This is a gas generator. You gotta keep it outside. Do not start it up inside of a house because it's like starting a car. It has an exhaust and you're going to poison yourself. So these things have to stay outside. But another problem with this little generator, gas generator, if you don't start them every like 3 months, especially these smaller cheap ones, they're just going to shut on you. This thing is brand new. I bought it 3 years ago when I had power outage, and since then I started one time, I forgot about it and I forgot to start it, and guess what, now it's shut. It does not start. You have to take apart. It's pretty complicated, clean everything out. It's just too much work. So I'm kinda like regret buying this thing. So this is why I'm going into electric without any carburetors, without any gas. If anything, I should buy a solar panel, so that way if there's power outage for a month, I can recharge this every single day, if it's sunny of course. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. I'm actually really excited. I've been buying so many DeWALT tools and putting them to the test. So I already have 20, 40 volt batteries, 60 volt batteries, so I wouldn't mind to have more batteries. You know what, if you're going to buy electric tools that battery operated, stick with one brand. That way you can actually take the battery and put them to the different type of tools and not worrying about like, oh, is this battery goes into this tool or is this charger go to this tool. I have so many batteries and chargers now because every tool comes with a charger, so that way I don't have to look for a charger. I have like 4 now and I have about 5 batteries. So this is why I was so excited to buy this power station. There you go, boom, 60 volt. This is awesome for my DeWALT electric chainsaw. 20 volt. So I guess we can plug in 60 volts up in here as well. Let's see what else is there. Wow, look at that. 20 volt and another 20 volt. Man, those batteries are expensive. I'm so glad it came with batteries. Box within a box. First thing I gotta tell you guys, this is so much lighter than that gas generated one. Wow, I thought it would be so much heavier. This is so awesome. There's hurricane coming, going to hit North Carolina pretty bad. We're going to get a lot of rain and some wind, so I'm expecting some of the trees going to fall down, and I'm expecting some of the power outage, at least for a few hours. You never know, might be for a day. So I'm going to charge it up before that happens, and I'm ready to plug in my cameras, plug in my laptop so I can upload videos and my business doesn't hurt, and the most important, the aquarium is going to stay alive as well. So we got my 20 volt batteries. All we're going to do is just plug them like this. Boom. This is cool. 1, 2, 4, and this is 60 volt. Apparently I can do 60 volt as well, since they sent me 160 volt, so it's going to hold up more power I guess. This one have a special guard because it's such a powerful battery. Boom. And this is what I'm talking about. This, I got a drill, DeWALT drill. I have extra batteries. Once I charge this up, I'm gonna plug this one as well. Then I got DeWALT chainsaw with a 60-volt battery, another one. And another tool I have, DeWALT like bush trimmer, whatever you call that thing. Another battery right here, so I'm gonna take it out and plug it in into here. There you go, guys. This is right here my portable power station. And you know what I love about this thing? Again, this is not just a box. All you can have to use is just plug it in. Let's say this battery died, I can come up here, take one of these batteries out, plug this in it, boom, and keep on working with the new battery. How cool is that? So this is how you charge it up. You plug it in into here. Boom. How do we know if it's charging? Okay, check this out. They all light up red. So that means they charging. They probably only halfway charged. That's what usually happens out of the package, just halfway. And you don't want to use them till you charge them all the way usually. So I'm gonna plug it in, let it charge. Then we're going to plug in a couple power tools that is corded and see if they're still going to work and still powerful. And another test, the most important test for me, I'm gonna try to plug in my fish tank and try to see if it's going to run my fish tank just from the power station. We'll see. And I cannot express enough, the most uses I'm going to do out of this power station is every time my power tools are out of juice, all I have to come up over here and swap the batteries out and keep this thing always charged just for the emergencies and every time I need a tool. So this is just ultimate power station for all of your DeWALT tools. I love it. Okay, it has solid red light. That means it's fully charged. Okay, let's turn it on. There you go. It's beeping. That means it's on. Cool. Then we're gonna plug in our power tool. Let's see if we will have no problem cutting this. Boom. As you can see, power tool works really well with this thing. And one more time. Amazing. I can unplug it, turn it off, and it's off. So as you can see, it definitely works with the power tools. Look how lightweight it is. I can carry it with one hand. Here's my aquarium. Let's say the power is out. I have so much life in there. So because this thing is not gas operated, I can actually put it inside of the house. Do not put gas operating generators inside of the house. You will die. But this one is electric, so it does not produce poison. So we're gonna turn it on. Definitely let us know that it's on, and let's plug it in. No way, check this out. Let's turn the light on. It's running the aquarium, no problem. Look at the starfish eating all that green algae. That's amazing. So this thing has no problem powering up the aquarium. And it has 1800 watts. Definitely one of the most powerful power stations out there. So for sure it's going to keep it running for a while. DeWALT power station, honestly I expected for it to be awesome and it's exceeded my expectation. I love that thing. So now I can bring in all my corded tools anywhere I want to and not worry about that there is no plug there. And I don't have to bring in heavy generator that is very loud either. Maybe set up a solar panel at the same time, so that way by the time I'm using it, it's actually recharging it. Maybe, or I can just recharge it later with the solar panel. And I'm pretty sure it will last me all day of work anyways. So at night time, if power is not out, I can just recharge it and ready to go the next day. But in extreme survival situations, I would definitely buy solar panel to recharge them in case there is power out for like months, weeks, who knows. so that way you can every day recharge them. But anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this DeWALT power station. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.